Welcome to Byan Kids English class. Today, we're going to explore a very fun world, the animals on a farm. Are you ready, little friends? Let's listen and guess what animals we'll meet today. Let's go! Listen. What goes cluck cluck and lays eggs? It's a chicken. Say it with me, chicken.
Chicken.
What animal says meow and loves to sleep in the sun? That's right, it's a cat. Let's say, cat.
Cat.
Who barks loud and loves to run and play? Yes, it's the dog. Let's shout, dog.
Dog.
It's big, gives us milk, and says moo. What is it? You got it, a cow. Say it loud with me, cow.
Cow.
Let's learn how to talk about the animals. We know their names: chicken, cat, dog, cow. But what do we say when we see them? Look! What's this?
It's a chicken.
Oh, look at this soft, cute animal. What's this?
It's a cat.
Woof woof. Did you hear that barking sound? Let's take a look. What's this?
It's a dog.
Ding ding. What's that sound? Is it a bell? I see a big animal walking in the field. What's this?
It's a cow.
Wow! You did such an amazing job today. Give yourself a big clap. Now, are you ready to play a fun game? Look at this picture. What's this? What letter is missing?
It's O. It's a dog.
Good job. Wait a second. Something's missing. Can you guess the missing letters?
It's C and E. It's a chicken.
Wow! You're so smart. Whoa! Look at this big animal. What letter is missing?
It's the letter C. It's a cow.
Awesome job, little farmers. Shh! I hear a meow. Which letter is missing?
It's the letter A. It's a cat.
Fantastic job. That's the end of our lesson today. We learned about animals and played a super fun game. You did an amazing job, everyone. High five. See you next time. Bye-bye.